everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 13th to the 17th of March 2023 on Monday. Zodwa almost spoiled the photo shoot. Miss Lungwani and the Bokanga kiss and make up. Teddy gets an exciting call on Tuesday. Zibubo has an idea to get the tavern back. Ladies try to mediate between Zodwa and Bongani. Sibongile learns the truth about Skera on Wednesday. Teddy admits that he has not told Zix about ZFM, but doesn't think he will pick up on his on-air audition. Sibongile admits that Skera is not talking about the birth and she is dealing with it alone. Bongani tells Zodwa he loves her and she responds by saying that she will always be a drinker on this day. News of Zodwa's drinking makes the airwaves. Sibongile starts feeling the perks of being pregnant and alone. Bokanga passed Miss Lungwani's happily ever after bubble on Friday. Nyaleng's perfect plan to pull the crowd flops. Sibongile experiences the unpleasant side of motherhood. Zodwa does the unthinkable to quench her thirst. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello, everyone.